Let's go.
We
We gotta get going. You ready to go, Ted? He's ready. No. Get ready, Ted. Stay on his head. Just follow him. Follow him with your gun wherever he goes and go. Shoot him again. Shoot. Hold. Load up. Load up. Get up there on his neck. Load up. Get on his neck. You gotta go stand on his head.
Go to him. Get ready to shoot him.
Just go stand on his head. Stand on his head.
I'm getting ready to shoot him. You're about to lose your shot.
I know it. I sit there up like that so long.
Yeah, that's the way it is.
I know it. I know it.
Hell, that was a quick one, wasn't it, Kent?
Yeah.
Compared to what we've been through. Man, he got nice at it. Nice bird.
I could see that bird in the tree, and I could see his beard swinging up there in the tree.
Is that right? I didn't see him until he flew down. I seen him when he flew down.
I was getting ready to shoot him.
Well, that was awesome.
You get all that on video?
Yep.
All right, high five.
Awesome video.
That was awesome.
Flew right out in the field. You could see him. You could see him come in. We could see him in the tree. Man, I really wanted to get the decoy out farther.
He's seen it though.
I finally made that one call. And you see how it stopped him from going all the way across this field. He stopped him, and then he started coming this way. It worked out perfect.
Been nice if it was out there farther, but been nice if it was right there on that hump. But
He was only 3 trees in the woods,
I go say he's
Yeah,
right
I know it.
there.
I'm surprised he didn't.
and if I would have crawled out here,
He would have seen you.
He'd have seen you.
I think so. I mean, I didn't want to take the chance.
I agree.
He's right behind that big leaner, wasn't he?
It took him so long to gobble. Yeah, he was behind that leaner.
I'm serious.
You just set right there behind him like this, Ted, and you go like this, and you look at the camera. I heard it. Smile, Ted. All right, let's go get another earth.